Hey guys, what's up? So yes, it's that time of the year again. I think it's so ironical in a way, right? Because throughout the year we take so much care of our skin. A lot of people even go to the ingredients of the cosmetics that they buy because you don't want to use too much of toxin stuff on your skin, right? But during Holi, everything falls flat. You just end up getting so much of color on your skin that everything just falls apart. So guys, before I move to the skincare and hair care tips, I just want to share one more thing. Not to lecture you guys, but we're still going through that phase where physical distancing, social distancing is important. So if you go out to play Holi, please make sure that you're playing Holi only with your family members, people that you live in the same house with, and you know for a fact that there is no way that they could be, carrying any virus. It's so important, guys, to be responsible while celebrating a festival. Now, talking about the skin and hair care, the first most important tip, and I think you probably already know this, a lot of you know this already. Before you step out to play Holi for the last 2 or 3 days, please don't use any hair removal products. No waxing, no epilating, no threading, not even using a hair removal cream. Nothing, not even razors, okay? Because after removing hair, whatever way you remove your hair, your skin feels irritated for 1 or 2 days. Your skin is very tender and sensitive as well. So don't do anything of that sort. And before you step out to play Holi, just apply some oil. Coconut oil and castor oils are very, very good options because it just helps in removing the colors better, faster. It also protects your skin. However, if you don't have dry skin, if you have oily skin, if you're scared to use oils on your face especially, instead of oils you can simply use primer. So the primer that we use as a makeup base, you can just load up on that and apply that all over your face. It also helps in protecting your skin to a huge extent, not the same way as oils, but it does help your skin tremendously. So use lots and lots of primer, and please guys, please seal everything with sunscreen. It is so important because chances are you'll be playing Holi outdoors, not indoors. I don't think I know of anyone who plays Holi indoors. So all the toxic colors with sun damage can wreak so much of havoc to your skin, and the same logic applies to your hair. A good idea is to of course load up and apply a lot of hair oil before you step out to play Holi. So amla hair oil is good, bring amla hair oil is good, tea tree hair oil is good. So you have a lot of options. But in case you don't want to use a hair oil, just in case, here's a very good option. An alternate option is to take some amla powder and some Rita powder. Amla and Rita powder, mix the two powders and just the powder, okay? Use it on your scalp as a dry shampoo, just on your scalp. It will not protect your hair the same way as hair oils will protect your hair, but it does protect your hair to some extent. Also helps in removing the color faster. Apart from that, guys, I've also seen that it really helps me when I'm not wearing synthetic fabrics when I go out to play Holi. Because after you're done playing Holi, you'll be sitting there probably eating stuff, and it'll be a couple of hours before you actually go for a shower. So all the synthetic fabrics can actually cause more irritation and more rashes to your skin. Instead of that, a better idea is to wear a cotton based outfit, something very loose cotton based dress if possible. And since you're talking about natural fabrics, it's also very important to not wear any jewelry. Especially artificial jewelry is a big no-no because again, rashes and things like that. And regular normal original jewelry is also something which I would not recommend, simply because when you go out to play Holi, there's a lot of fighting, snatching, pulling, pushing and all that happens, right? That's how Holi is. So you might actually end up breaking or even losing your jewelry. It happens to a lot of people during Holi, so best not to wear any jewelry at all. And talking about skin and hair care, guys, here's a very, very important tip. As soon as you're done playing Holi, please do not apply any scrub, especially on your face. Do not do that. Just wash your face with a gentle, mild face wash. Please don't make your skin go through a lot. Now you can use any face wash you want, but I would highly recommend using a vitamin C face wash because vitamin C is great for cleaning your skin. It helps in fighting free radical damage. It's very, very good for cleaning your skin. And this particular vitamin C face wash from Mamaearth, guys, this is a toxin free product, so it's actually very safe. It's also paraben free, sulfate free, dermatologically tested. It contains vitamin C. It also, by the way, contains turmeric. Now turmeric is really good, especially for people who tend to get a lot of rashes. If you think you might end up with a bad case of acne breakout, turmeric is very good. So overall, I like this face wash a lot, and especially when you want to use a nice mild face wash which also cleans your skin really well, I think it's a very, very safe bet. I'll put the link in the description box, but this is designed for all skin types. And immediately after washing your face, guys, please do something to hydrate and moisturize your skin, because if you want your skin to heal itself, repair itself naturally, it's very important to keep your skin well hydrated and well nourished. So once again, I would recommend a vitamin C product. Now this one is from the same range. It's a vitamin C and turmeric skin illuminate face serum from Mamaearth. It's designed to give you radiant skin. It's a paraben silicone free product, and once again, dermatologically tested and designed to suit all skin types. Another thing that I found to be very, very handy in is something which I do a lot. Like before I go out to play Holi, I just take some, actually not some, a lot of cotton balls with me, and I keep plugging in cotton balls into my ears. So when the holy water starts splashing, the cotton balls will keep coming off, but keep putting fresh cotton balls whenever possible. It will help in keeping your ears much better, much cleaner, and you also don't end up with all that ear blockage which happens to a lot of people after playing Holi. And when I go out to play Holi, I also make sure to keep a bath salt ready. So when I come back home from Holi, I just like to dip my feet in warm water soaked in bath salts, and then you can just scrub your feet whenever you feel like scrubbing your feet with some coffee powder mixed with coconut oil. This makes for a great foot scrub for your body. After 2 or 3 days of playing Holi, on your body you can actually use a coffee powder and coconut oil scrub on your body as well to help remove all that oil. But again, let me point this out, guys, best not to use a scrub on your body immediately after playing Holi. Wait for a couple of days. If you really want to remove all the dead skin cells from your face, I think a better option is to wait for a few days till the color goes away and then use a chemical peeling solution. Now I've done a separate video talking about chemical peeling and how to actually use it. I'll put the link for that in the description box below. Chemical peeling helps in improving your skin texture and just revealing the brighter radiant skin inside. So it's very handy, and it obviously saves you a lot of heartache of watching your skin take forever to heal and repair itself. But wait for the colors to go away and then use a chemical peel. Okay, so be very careful about the timelines. Before stepping out to play Holi, it also helps a lot if you just apply a nice long stay lipstick on your lips. Okay, so something maybe like I've seen a lot of liquid formulas, especially liquid lipsticks, work really well as a long stay lipstick. So apply 2 to 3 coats of long stay lipstick to just prevent your lips from getting damaged with the Holi colors. And of course, once you come back, just use coconut oil, or if you want, you can also use makeup remover to remove excess Holi colors. I've also seen that when I'm taking a bath right after Holi, if the colors don't seem to be going away, I like to take a little bit of oil. Again, oil, but oils really help, guys. Just take oil and come massage for a minute or two on your skin. That will also help in melting the colors and removing it much faster. If possible, also make this quick DIY. Keep it handy when you go out to play Holi. Just take some rose water. To this, we'll mix a bit of aloe vera gel. And when you go out to play Holi, if you feel that there's too much of color on you, you can just keep spraying this rose water aloe vera gel mix. It also helps to keep your skin cool. It also helps to keep your skin calm. And after playing Holi, also you can actually apply this 2 to 3 times a day very easily to just help your skin heal and recover itself faster. And for all those of you who are going through your periods during Holi, please try to use tampons and menstrual cups. However, if you have to use a sanitary pad, if tampons and menstrual cups are not your things, please keep changing your sanitary pads as often as possible. This is so important, guys, because it can lead to a lot of infection if your sanitary pads takes in the Holi colors and absorbs that, right? And if you just stay with that on for a long time, that's not good for you. And we all love Upton. And we all love applying Upton on the body, right? So a very good idea is to keep a Upton pack handy. Apply it all over your face, all over your body if possible. When you are taking a shower after Holi, it will also help in cleaning and relieving your skin of so much of stress. And last but not the least, here's a quick DIY for your hair. So take a little bit of amla powder, and to this mix lots and lots of curd. If you want, you can also add a few drops of oil. Apply this to your hair, leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with your regular shampoo. This will help in hydrating your scalp, your hair, and also help in cleaning everything much faster. So yes, guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. And in case you're wondering, yes, the Mamaearth products have been sent by the brand, but I have reviewed these products before. I've actually used them before, and I've always said, right, vitamin C is great for your skin. It's great for your for you overall. Last month I was also talking about vitamin C body wash. So I personally love using vitamin C. So the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash and the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum with Vitamin C and Turmeric. I'll put the link for both of these in the description box below. Now, these are available on various e-commerce websites, but if possible, buy directly from the Mamaearth website, because of course you can use this 20% off code to get 20% off. And also when you buy it from the Mamaearth website, they plant a tree every time you place an order. So when you place an order with the website, they actually plant a tree. They will link your order to this tree that they plant, and even send you the geolocation, the picture of the tree on your email, so you can actually see how you're contributing to the environment. I really love the Plant Goodness initiative. I think it is so inspiring. So yes, while you're playing Holi, having fun, why not do a little something for the environment as well? So I put all the links, all the details in the description box below. And yes guys, if you have any hacks, any tips and tricks up your sleeves, please don't forget to share them with me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.